Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to disconnect your AirPods Max out of your network. Because the AirPods Max can be, if you like that, and default modus will be switched on, connect your Wear for Find My iPhone, Find My app, Find My network by Apple. That's a really cool network. If you lost your device, you can find it again. Okay, let's go to settings first. In the AirPod Max settings area, you can also make it possibility that you go down a little bit and disconnect it from Find My network. Okay? Oh, but if you are enable this option in Find My network, you should not go to disconnect and forget this device. No, you show it in Find My and you should disconnect it there and then it will be automatically disconnect from all out of your system. Really cool. So Find My and under devices you will see your AirPod Max. If you find Max, you can remove this device from it. And now you can see here, removed it from the Apple account. These AirPods are linked to our Apple account. Removing them will allow another person to configure and Find My network. And additionally, it will happen that we unpair it from the Bluetooth device. This will remove these AirPods from our list of connected Bluetooth devices. We will have to pair these AirPods again in order to play audio again. Okay, now let's remove that. Another information we'll see here. Once the AirPods have been removed, they will not to be set up to use them again. Okay, let's remove them now. Now it will cost us a little bit time to removing our AirPods out of the Apple network. And after this is done, we are have the AirPods Max removed from our network from our account. That means after this process, we are able to give away trade-in or send it back or something else to a new owner, to another person, or as you like. You can give it away. And of course, the best thing is no datas of you are already there on that AirPods Max again. That's really cool. And this is, of course, a good troubleshooting. If there is a prop, you can make a solution of a software-based prop with your AirPod Max. The removing process itself will cost you a little bit of time. After this, yeah, the AirPod's not found anymore. We can remove it. You see, now it's removed, and remove it just then. Now our AirPods are removed from the network. That, as you can see, is done. And now the binding of the Bluetooth will be unleashed again. The first step was Find My, job's done. And the next thing is get the AirPods out of the Bluetooth settings to remove them out of our system. And after these two steps, you see the device is not there anymore. Job's done. Now we can give away, trade in, or do what we like to do with the AirPods Max. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.